Hi, everyone. Today, we will walk you through the simple budget planner spreadsheet. This planner has been designed to help you manage your finances with ease, stay on top of your spending, and reach your goals step by step. It's comprehensive, easy to use, and works seamlessly in both Google Sheets and Excel. Before we move forward, I want to quickly explain something important. Some of the tabs in this planner are protected to keep the formulas safe and working correctly. If you ever try to make changes in one of these areas, you'll see a warning pop-up appear. At that point, you can simply check the box, then click OK to proceed with editing, or press Cancel if you don't want to make changes. Now, let's move over to the Instructions tab. In this tab, you'll find the Authorize Securely button. When you click it, Google will ask you to grant access to the AI assistant. This optional feature is there to give you personalized insights and suggestions, helping you make smarter decisions with your money. If you'd like that extra guidance, simply follow the Google prompts and authorize it securely. If you'd rather not use the AI assistant, no problem at all, you can skip this step. Now that we've covered the instructions, let's move on to the Setup tab. This tab is where you'll set all the core details that the rest of the planner will use automatically, so you only need to do this once. Start by choosing your preferred currency. Just select it from the drop-down, and the entire planner will update instantly to reflect that choice. Next, you'll see the option to enable dark mode. If you prefer a darker layout or find it easier on your eyes, simply switch it on, and the planner will apply the theme throughout every tab. Next, you'll find the section to list your budget categories. These are the categories the entire planner will rely on. Add all the spending and income categories you plan to use, and the planner will automatically sync them everywhere to keep your budget organized and accurate. Now let's move to the Transaction Log tab, the place where you'll record all your spending and income. To add a new transaction, start by entering the date. Right next to it, choose the transaction type from the drop-down menu. Once you select the type, the related category will automatically fill in based on what you set up earlier, making your entries faster and more accurate. After that, enter the amount, select your payment method, and choose the payment status, whether it's paid or unpaid. If you want to keep extra details, you can also add a short note to describe the transaction. This helps you remember what each entry was for and keeps your records clearer. Every transaction you log here will flow automatically into the rest of your planner, updating your dashboards, summaries, and monthly budgets without any extra work. Now let's move to the Transaction Sort and Filter tab. At the top, you'll see several drop-down menus. Simply choose your filter options from these pre-filled lists, whether you want to filter by category, type, payment method, status, or date range. Once your filters are selected, you can also sort your transactions by ascending or descending order, or sort specifically by date or amount. The transaction table will automatically update and apply all your selected options instantly, so no manual work needed. This makes it easy to review your spending, track patterns, or find specific entries in seconds. Next, let's move to the Monthly Calendar tab. Start by selecting the month you want to view, and then choose your preferred week start day, Monday or Sunday. Once you do that, the calendar will update instantly. All your data will appear automatically, including each transaction's name, amount, and payment status. The payment status is color-coded, making it easy to see what's paid, unpaid, or upcoming at a glance. This calendar gives you a quick, clean view of your financial month with no manual input needed. Now let's move to the Budget Tracker tab. This is where you'll compare what you planned to spend with what you actually spent, giving you full control over your money each period. Start by choosing your budget period. Simply select the start date and end date for the time you want to track, whether it's a week, a month, or any custom period you prefer. The moment you set these dates, the planner automatically pulls in all actual income and spending from the transaction log, so you never have to calculate anything manually. Below your date selection, you'll see your full list of categories. Here, you'll enter the budgeted amounts for each category, the amounts you plan to spend or earn. Next, the planner instantly calculates the actual amounts for the period and shows the difference automatically, so you can quickly see where you're on track and where you may have overspent or underspent. At the top, you'll also find a complete budget summary table. This summary breaks down your budgeted totals, actual totals, and differences for each major category, including income, expenses, savings, and debts. If you're using rollovers, simply enter your rollover amount, and the planner will automatically calculate your leftover based on your actual spending. You'll also see overall totals and summaries to give you a clear picture of your financial performance for that specific period. To help you visualize everything even more clearly, the tab includes a chart that displays your budgeted versus actual amounts. This gives you a quick visual trend so you can spot patterns, identify problem areas, or celebrate improvements. If you want to track multiple or unlimited budget periods, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or even special project budget. Just duplicate this tab, rename it, and choose a different start and end date. Each duplicated tab will work independently, giving you unlimited flexibility while keeping all your data organized. Now let's explore the automated budget dashboard. This automated dashboard gives you a complete overview of your budget health, allowing you to see exactly how your finances are performing without having to dig through individual tabs. At the top, you'll find key summaries that show your total income, total spending, and total savings. These amounts are calculated automatically from your transaction log and budget tracker, so they always reflect the most up-to-date information. Below the summaries, you'll see a series of interactive charts and visualizations. You can quickly identify which categories are on track and which may need attention. Now let's move to the AI Budget Assistant. You can access it from the top menu bar, and as soon as you click it, the assistant will pop up instantly. This tool provides helpful budgeting guidance, tips, and suggestions to support you as you plan and manage your finances, all without leaving your planner. And that wraps up our complete walkthrough of the Simple Budget Planner spreadsheet. If you have any questions, need extra guidance, or want tips on using the spreadsheet more effectively, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.